With just a few clicks, you can create personalized flashcards from any study material, turn a YouTube video into interactive learning, and so much more, all with Jungle AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're looking at Jungle AI, an innovative tool that transforms your study materials into flashcards and quizzes in seconds. This video is split into timestamps, so if you want to skip to a specific part, feel free. Let's get started. What is Jungle AI and what does it do? Jungle AI, formerly known as Wisdolia, is an AI-powered tool designed to revolutionize the way students prepare for exams by generating flashcards and multiple choice questions from various study materials, including lecture slides, PDFs, web pages, PowerPoint presentations, YouTube videos, textbooks, and notes. Price: free tier. Experience Jungle AI with a completely free tier with limited answers. Pro tier. The Pro tier starts at $7.99 per month. Please note that pricing information may not be up to date. For the most accurate and current pricing details, refer to the official Jungle AI website. That wraps up our review of Jungle AI. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.